Devil na liar. He no get any good thing when he won't give you. If he give you anything, he go take something wey big pass wetin he give you. Hi guys, welcome to Favors Blog, your one-stop channel for amazing entertainment like no other. Trust me, you're going to enjoy your time here. To be part of this amazing family, please follow us on all our social media accounts displayed on your screen right now. And do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first persons to get notified whenever we drop any new video. Also, do not forget to like our videos and of course share them across your social media handles so that your friends and family would also be part of this amazing family here on Favors Blog. Now let's dive right in to what we have. This is now Open Heavens Daily Devotional for Saturday, when be the 1st of April 2023. Happy new month. Our topic for today now, who be your papa? Our Bible reading, it'll come from the book of John chapter 10 from verse 10, Congo read 16. John chapter 10 from verse 10, Congo read 16. And our memory verse for today, they come from the book of John chapter 10 verse 10. Wait to say, the thief, he only come to thief, to kill, and to scatter, to destroy. But I don't come so they go get life, and they fit choose to get them more abundantly. Make we enter today's message. My father in the Lord, Pa Josiah Akidayomi, they talk what he say, now wetin your papa get, now he go take care of you. If your papa na Jesus, then since na he get all the cattle on top of 1,000 hill, Psalm 50 verse 10, and I get healing for his wings, Malachi 4 verse 2, and all good things they come from him, James chapter 1 verse 17, then he go take care of you with all of these things. However, if devil na be your papa, since he na thief, lie and kili, John chapter 10 verse 10, then he go arm you with everything when you get. So which of them now you want as your papa? It don't say when I realize the devil no get any good thing to offer me. I remember about 50 years ago when I grow very fast, I can't become lecturer for University of Lagos. I can't buy motor, I can't build house before I reach 30 years. Due to the fact that they grow very fast, people call they carry me go native doctor, where they say he get power well, they call us make it give me charm, where go protect me against my enemies, where they jealous of me. The native doctor can say, okay, no wahala, make I come with live goats, but I go hold the live goat and trek through the streets of Ochogbo. Because I feel say na for my good, I can't park my motor, I can't go through the wahala of waka, they drag goat through streets of Ochogbo, go reach the native doctor house. He can't give me 3 sham in exchange for the goat when I give him. He said make I tie one for the steering of my car to prevent accidents in front of me. He said I put the second one for the boot of my car so that motor no go hit me from behind. And he said make I put the third one for driver's seat, so that in case I ever get accident safe, I go just disappear, come out from the motor. I can't go back to Lagos, they happy, they think for my mind, say, man, I don't get superpower. But within 2 weeks, I don't get 3 accidents. Now there I can realize, say, no protection for inside the shams. I can't throw them inside river. I thank God, say, since when I give my life to Jesus Christ, he don't become my father, and the fear of the unknown, he don't drive come out for my life. Even if I get enemies safe, according to Psalm 23 verse 5, my God go set table for me for their presence. The devil na lie, and he don't get any good thing when he won't offer you. If the devil give you something, he go take something wey dey very, very important from you. Not just for a wayo. Now only God na they give good and perfect gifts. And our key point for today talk say, now only God go fit give good and perfect gifts. Now Pastor E.A. Adeboye, when be the general overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, now him write this Open Heavens Daily Devotional. and na your sister Naworu Favour let present am give you. God bless you and happy new month.